love the Lord with all your heart, with all your spirit, with all your mind, with all your strength. That is the first and foremost commandment. The second, love your neighbors as I have loved you. The neighbor, the next door neighbor, the neighbor to Mizoram ang ingay tayo Assam te no, Tripura te Manipur te niya ma. So India ang suanin Nepal te polo dia, suanin Myanmar, suan Pakistan te polo dia nga. Katin kanin Pakistan ma missionary na kalso the neighbor let's Afghanistan alo dia katin kanin the neighbor sel is nagkal na api nga kanin kan to na piye ka pangaytugan ni siya. And as I have loved you, deny yourselves, carry the cross for the cross mo point heavy to mase isu ka may to ilang mo apon ne suwal na reng lo kan suwal na zong kan pela the passion of the Christ silent go on the Lord kata ang vuok na Arab club it's too graphic and there mase no Isaiah kan enjoy it isu ka you could not tell whether he was a man or woman ng Tony. Mission na ni tipo siya ng kupit. At ang vuok na kamo, awit ka. Amora kanin saru kom hinda nito. So an vloga an vua. So kati an vuok askin na hinavakal kanin at chuak na nito. So his rib cages were seen. And his intestines were like visible from his stomach. That's how Jesus suffered. And actually, but here in a whole look to the cutting to Anita. So, I want Milton to Saklanich. Low Mila, the Swali, the Isway to work. Oh,